Hi, this is Fran from Training Kings, and I'd love to invite you to our Leicester dinner event taking place next week, Tuesday, the 18th of September. We're actually having a special Visitors Day where we're encouraging all of our members to invite people like yourselves who've perhaps never been to one of our events to come along and see what we do. We've got an excellent speaker called Keith Tripp who will be sharing on business ethics and Christian ethics, and there'll be a mixture of open networking, a chance to introduce yourself and say who you are and what you do. We'll share a great meal together, and of course we'll hear the presentation. So that's next week, Tuesday the 18th of September. We meet at the lovely Regency Hotel right near the town centre of Leicester, and you'll be really welcome to attend. I'll put the booking link in the description below, and we look forward to meeting you next week.